Thomas and the Silly Freight Cars. Oh. Yo, what's up? I'm Thomas the Tank Engine, and, warning. Alright, I'm gonna give you a warning. This video might, and I mean might, have censored swears like, like that. So, viewer discretion is advised. Which that means this video is not for children. Now, thanks for helping me with the trucks, Thomas. Yeah, you're welcome, Edward. Yeah, I'm telling you. There is a lot of trucks to pull. Never mind. Thomas, get back here. You gotta do this. I don't want to go off the rails. You got a point. Alright. I'll couple to the back. Alright, I'm ready. Wait, why did I just turn into a push-alongs model all of a sudden? Don't break the fourth wall. Alright, let's do this. Help me. Soon they got up to Gordon's Hill. Pretend that never happened, said one of the freight cars. Soon, each one of those silly freight cars got up to the top, including Thomas. Alright, thanks, Thomas. I'll take it here. I'll take it from here. Oh, finally, I could turn back into a normal model. Hey, is the camera on backwards or something? Wee woo, wee woo. Wee woo, wee woo, wee woo. Oh, there's been a breakaway! He's coming towards you, Thomas! Oh, God! Hurrah, hurrah, hurrah! We broke it away! We broke it away! Chase him! Bump him! Throw him on the rail! They all yell. Oh, I gotta get away! I gotta get away! Oh, no! Then there was trouble. Oh, sinners in action!
Oh man, they forgot about me. What the flip? I guess I'm gonna go all on just go style.
I'm getting on him! I'm getting on him! Slow him down! Soon Thomas was set on the siding where a barber had played shop. Yes, this is the same barber! From Duck's Close Shave, alright? The one where they didn't explain why Diesel was sent away, alright? Don't judge me, I'm running out of ideas already. Oh, cinders and ashes! Oh! Yeah! Another tank engine! Sorry to intrude, but these silly cars were pushing me. Now careful, you silly blue tank engine! You almost killed me and my passengers! What, James? What? We could have caused a serious accident, but just like Duck, Thomas saved the day! Wait, what? You trucks planned this? Yeah. I'm reporting you to Sir Topham Hatt. Not again. Well, this is the end, boys. For now. Oh my God, Thomas! Thomas! Thomas, are you okay? Barely. I knew your coupling was gonna snap one day. These nuts. What? What does these nuts even mean? They sure fit in your mouth! I'm gonna break character just for this one scene. Oh, Thomas the Tank Engine! Oh, I'm so proud of you. You could have caused James's passengers to die. I am deserving with new coat of paint when we get you out of there. Edward, you're gonna pull it. Oh, man. I'm too old for this. Alright, let me just deal with the rest of these cars real quick. Go ahead.
Oh, I need a doctor. I don't feel my wheels.
I need a medic. You can't get rid of us troublesome trucks that easily.
Don't
Yeah,
forget to
and
like
the
and
music.
subscribe, or else you're going to be in the problem I was in this episode.